So let's take a look how you can add payment method to your advertising account on Facebook. On our last video, we saw how we can actually set up your Facebook accounts and add all of your business details or change your currency. So from the same menu, from the same screen, we will choose on our left category that's called payment settings, and that's where we can add our payment method for Facebook. What do we have here? We have next bill, and we can change it right now since this is a new account, and we have add payment method. By clicking on that, those are the options that we're going to have. We can pay with our credit card. Facebook can accept Visa, MasterCard or American Express, or we can pay with PayPal. And for those who are very lucky of us, we can actually add Facebook coupon if we have it. So while just choosing whatever method that works for you, you fill in all the details and you click continue, and that's how you will have an active payment method on Facebook. The next option that we have in this menu is set up your account spending limit. So if you have just a certain amount of money that you would like to spend for your advertising, you just click on set account spending limit and you typed in your number, for example 100, set limit, and this is our limit. And our limit will be updated in 15 minutes. It means that no matter how many campaigns will it create and no matter what kind of budget will it choose for those campaigns, if my account limit for all of those campaigns will reach that certain number, my campaigns will stop and would not deliver anymore since I have an overall limit on my account. In order to remove or change this limit, you will have to go to your settings, to your payment settings, and by choosing your account limit, you can change it or cancel it whenever you like.